Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this spiral hat. I use 5 millimeters hook and 5 millimeters yarn. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is first round. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8, 9, 10, 11. With these chains we have 12 stitches in total in first round. Continue like this. This is first chains, mark, yarn over, continue without a slip stitch, go to these chains, top of first chains, yarn over, go to top of first chains, we mark first chains, go to top of first chains, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go to same stitch, make second double crochet in this stitch from back loop, take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, mark first double crochet in second row, go to next stitch from back loop, 1, go to same stitch, 2, go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, in next stitch, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, 2, make 2 double crochet in each stitch from back loop, we make back post, back loop, double crochet, one, 2, one, 2. I show in here, this is first stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 2, go to mark a stitch, 23, 24 in second round. Go to next stitch, make 1, go to same stitch, 2, mark first stitch in third round. We have 2 stitches in here, go to next stitch, make 1, go to next stitch, make 1, 2, go to next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, 2, go to next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, 2, in here, 1, in next stitch, 1, 2, and continue like this for marked stitch, like this, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and repeat. In this round we have 36 stitches. Go to this stitch, make 1, 2, mark first stitch, in next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, in here, 1, 2, 1, 1. This is fourth round. Continue like this, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and repeat until here. I made this stitch in this row. We have 48. Start to next, make 1, 2 stitches, mark this stitch, go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 1, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, go to next stitch, 1, in same stitch, 2, I show 1, 1, 1, in here, 1, 1, 1, 2, and repeat. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. In this round we have 60 stitches. Go to next stitch, make 1, 2. In next stitch 1. In next stitch 1. In next stitch 1. In next stitch 1. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Continue like this. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. I made this stitch in this row. We have 72 stitches in total. I have 18 centimeters in here. After this row, if you want to make, you can continue until this round, previous round. If you want make it small than this size, you can make this part until this stitch. This size suitable for adults. After this stitch, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I show you can mark this stitch and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Make more rows like this. I made this stitch until here. In here, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. In here, continue like this. Yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this double crochet, make front post double crochet, go to this stitch in here, make 1 double crochet in top of this double crochet, go to next stitch, make front post double crochet, go to top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, go to this stitch front post, 1 double crochet, front post, 1 double crochet, front post, 1 double crochet and repeat. 1 front post, 1 double crochet, 1 front post, 1 double crochet. I made until here. I show into last stitch. Go to top of this double crochet, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, make half double crochet, yarn over, take last stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make front post, half double crochet. Go to go to top of first stitch, slip